Let's see in the back.
Oh wow!
Look at that.
See on the left?
I gotta look at it.
Aww. Oh, the doggies on there. That's cute.
Not too many.
Wow! That's awesome!
That is something else.
Wow. Is that the Wolf Express? I love it.
Nice, eh?
Well, this is a train.
That is a train. That's a train. There we go.
Happy birthday, Papa! Wait, can I keep this or to bring it back? I'm asking, can I keep this or to bring it back home?
He's got to take it back home with him.
And you know,
Bring it again.
I can get, for the holidays, I can get more track. I mean, we know we have this much already, right?
We need a bigger living room. Where are we going to put it?
That's a beautiful, now, see, look, the ones in the back were on when he put it in reverse. All three were on.
Yeah.
So it must be something
Sweetie,
where the one light goes on.
please don't do that. Please don't. Thank you. Thank you.